So hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today in this video we'll be looking at one of the SQL question that I have found on the internet, and I guess this question was asked in the Zomato's SQL interview. And the question states that we have to write an SQL query to find the top two restaurants in each city with the highest average rating, and we should return the city ID, city name, restaurant ID, restaurant name, and the average rating. So we have three tables, and the first one is the cities table where we have three cities: Mumbai, Delhi, and Bangalore. And next we have the restaurants table where we have the restaurant's ID, restaurant name, and then the city ID. So these two tables have the city ID in common. And lastly we have the orders ID where we have the order ID, then the restaurant ID, order value, order date, and the rating. So, in order to solve this question, our first step would be to join these three tables. So, in these two tables, we have the CTID as the common column. So we can join both these tables based on that, and then in the restaurants and the orders table, we can join both of them based on our restaurant ID. So because they both have the both of the restaurant ID column as common in between both of them. So let's do that. So we will select star from cities first, and I will join restaurants are on c dot let's just city ID, I guess. Yeah, it's city underscore ID equal to r dot city ID, and then I will join the orders O on the restaurant ID. So r dot restaurant ID equals to my O dot restaurant ID. So I will give an alias C here. And now what are the columns that we need? We need the city ID, city name, restaurant ID, restaurant name, and then the average rating. So we can get all these from the first two columns can be are retrieved from our cities table itself. So I will give the c dot city ID and then the c dot city name, and the next thing I need is the restaurant ID and the restaurant name. So I can get the r dot restaurant ID, and what is the restaurant name column named as? It's named as the restaurant name itself. So r dot restaurant name, and then I need the average rating. So let's get the average of ratings is found in the orders table. So let's just check what's the column name. It's just rating. So average of O dot rating, and let's run this. Oops, we need to group them, and then I will group by 1 2 3 and 4. So yeah, so we got our average rating, and let's round it to 2. Okay, so this is what we got. So what we need to do is we need to find the top two restaurants in each city with the highest average rating. So the one thing that we can do is using our CT table, and you'll use CT as, and then we will create a bracket, and we need another city table where we need to find the rank based on the city. So in order to do that, we can create another table. So we can call it as the ranked as, and what we can do is we can select the uh, city id, city name, then the restaurant id, and then the restaurant name, and then I can create a dense rank function, and then over I will partition it based on the city id, because I want to find the restaurants in each city, and then I should order it by my average rating, what it is called, it's been named, so as average, so by average, and I need it in the descending order, and these are coming from my CT table. And now what I need to get is I should select this all 4 of these, then I need the average as well. So let me just get average here as well, average from my rank table, where let me call this as rank, where my rank should be greater than or equal to 2. Yeah, this should do. So let's run this. Oops, we missed a comma here, and then we need this less than or equal to, because we need the top 2, right? Let's run this. Now we got it. So what we have here is we have this Trisha and Bademia as the top 2 restaurants from Mumbai, and Indian Accent and Bukhara as top 2 from Delhi, and it's actually top 3 because Indian Accent and Bukhara has the same value, and then the Amtiar and Koshis as 4.6, and then Bangalore as 3.3. In I guess instead of using dense rank, we can use the normal rank to get just the top 2. I think that's the best. Yeah, so here now we have the 6. So this is the better way instead of using the dense rank. So yeah, I hope you'll enjoy this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.